Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Hello Helper, and my name is Vijay, and today I'm going to show you how you can resize your layers into Photoshop. So let's jump in. So friends, first of all I'm going to open my Photoshop file. Here I'm already created my new file. So here you can simply click on this Control N, so you will get this page. Okay, now I'm going to create one layer. So this is my one layer. Simply click on this icon, or you can simply use the control shortcut key like Control Shift N. So here it will ask for the layer name. So here I'm going to add test 1, and here I'm going to simply add one box with the color. This is my first layer, test 1. Simply I'm going to add the name. So here add and here 2. So right now I have selected second one and going to add another shape and change the color like red. So friend, this is 2 layers are available, and here I have added one object and second object, and now I want to resize this layer. So what you will do here, simply you can first select the layer, and after that you can use the shortcut key that is called Control T, and you will get this transform box. So here you can resize, select and drag with your mouse, so it will resize your layer. Or simply what you will do, just select this layer. So simply click on the edit menu, click on this free transform. So here you will get this option with the rectangle things. So now this is the first option, and second thing, you simply select this layer. So here you can see second layer, this is first layer. First layer is this and second layer is this. So here I'm going to click on this edit menu and click on this free transform. So here you can easily select and drag via your mouse, so it will resize. So friend, this is the small tutorial. So here I have give you the idea how you can resize the layer. So friend, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please click on the like button and share with your friends and family, and please subscribe my YouTube channel. And if you have any query or questions, you can suggest me into my comment box. Thank you for watching and stay tuned.